In the name of Allah, the Compassionate and the Merciful. Hello guys. In this video, we're going to see the effect of axial load on ultimate moment curvature analysis. You see, at the previous moment curvature analysis with the effect of axial load, we just add the axial load and see the moment curvature relations between this process. So in this analysis, we change the axial load to from negative to positive values with 53 steps and outputting ultimate curvature and moment of this process. You see all steps as the same. We just change this process, and let's see at the end of this analysis. You see we with the changing of the actual load with the 53 steps, in each step actual strain is calculated, and then moment curvature of these steps is going to get calculated, and at the last step we output our moment curvature analysis with the last data, and then next step is going to be started again. And you see in here we're going to plot the result as a curvature and actual load effect, moment and actual load effect, and curvature and moment of this actual load effect. Let's see the result graph in here. You see relations between ultimate curvature and actual load is linear, and relations between ultimate moment and actual load is linear, and also relations between ultimate curvature and ultimate moment is also linear. So you see, with this analysis we can see the effect of actual load on relations between ultimate moment and ultimate curvatures of these concrete sections, relations with nonlinearity analysis of moment curvature. Thanks guys. I'd be glad to know about my modeling. Bye.